I only have about 5 or 10 minutes before I have to go to my next class, and I have to walk across campus. But I wanted to get this thing started right away because it's always good to get things started right away. I guess today is awesome. I made a sign for our channel for my videos. Look at this. Woo! It's Tuesday! I got back from my physics class and I decided to do some laundry. So, I've been thinking a lot about why today is awesome. And I guess it would have to be because my cousin called me today, and she's 7. She's so cute. And she hadn't called me at all last week like I thought she would, because the week before she called me like 20 times. No lie. She called me about 20 times in 1 week. It was pretty entertaining because she always has something funny to say. And she's just ridiculous. And then she like holds the phone away from her and like shouts. And my roommate is going somewhere this week, so she won't be here. I might take advantage of this to make full-fledged YouTube room videos. I don't know if that wording made sense. This macaroni and cheese is really good. I'm watching that 70s show. It's a good show. I had my introduction to lit class today, and it's great. I love that class. I think it's going to be my favorite class this semester. Probably this year. Oh, I wrote a short story, and I can link my writing blog down there. And you can read my short story, and also other things that I have written prior to the short story I wrote last night. Yeah, I hope you like it. Cheddar Explosion! How's it going? Well, I am just walking in. I put my laundry in the dryer. Wait. My nostrils look really big. Let's see. Let's just challenge each other instead of both of us doing something. I'm gonna challenge you, Kara, to make next week's video a music video. Not this Thursday, but next Thursday. Your video has to be a music video to a song from the 90s. Alright? I like it. And I will see you on Thursday, Kara, and I will see everybody else on Tuesday of next week. Bye!